I thought I'd take a little bit of a walk on this May weekend and come by this pond to tell you about the latest update to Stronghold CMD. Why a pond, you ask? Because it's nice to look at. I want to start off, however, talking about a completely different project, Project 13. Project 13 was designed to be a walking, talking, task-performing social robot. However, this came to an abrupt stop when it came time for the robot to move autonomously around a room. The technology to make what I want to have happen just didn't exist, and it would be far too hard for me to come up with a reasonable solution on my own. But I spent time on Project 13, actually quite a bit of time, and much of this technology needed to live on. So, I migrated some of the most interesting features of Project 13 to Stronghold CMD for this update. So let's take you on a tour of the new features found in Stronghold CMD version 1.10. The first improvement to the software is the addition of language, the English language in particular. A simple command will learn the nouns, verbs, adjectives, and the like of pretty much any standard English word. Then, using this new built-in menu, you can use the text files to teach the program sentence structure. This builds the basis for Markov chains. A Markov chain is simply a way of predicting the next item in a string of items. The primary use for this is creating sentences that are generated by a computer. A more in-depth tutorial on Markov chains can be found under the Computers heading, subheading Artificial Intelligence on hobbyware.org. The second improvement to Stronghold CMD is the introduction of cloud-based speech. In older versions of the software, I utilized personal computer-based speech. Now, this is a very tough way of doing speech recognition, as you will tend to end up with a sentence that wasn't quite exactly what you said. Cloud-based speech API, Microsoft Cognitive Services, changes all that, and now you can chat to the program with little or no error. In the end, the difference in recognition quality is quite spectacular. The last improvement to the software this time around is to give Stronghold CMD a more human approach. I have started by integrating mood changes into the software. So if you were to talk about something sad to Stronghold CMD, the mood would be reflected in these various facial animations. The facial animations can represent one of 6 different emotions and the varying degrees of each emotion. Transitional animations from one emotion to the next help give the animations a seamless progression. These facial animations are really just a modified and animated picture of yours truly. I think once Markov chains start to mature, we will get a real cool human effect when we talk to it. You can try out the software for yourself by heading to the Project section and clicking the Stronghold CMD's Download section. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy. Jeeves, chat with me.
Okay, tell me something.
Reading is one of the long-term hobbies I've had.
Reading is like this typing now.
You know, Jeeves, I really look forward to the day we can have a meaningful conversation.
You know, Sean, I can control the lights in your house, and when you wake up,